Welcome to Legoland Windsor, and it's officially winter.
So yeah, as Becky said, it is chilly. We are here for the afternoon.
Big coats on.
Yeah, got
that means
big
it's
coats.
winter.
Big coats, ready for some firework action this evening here at Legoland. It's the first time we've been to a Merlin firework event, so should be good. So making use of these before the end of the season.
And we also had a pre-book as well, so
yeah,
you have to show that and your pre-book.
And because we are the Platinum pass holders, we do get access to the fireworks this evening as well. For free.
Well, for payment.
We have paid, yes. Oh, look, they've still got all the Halloween-y kind of stuff out over here. So the fireworks tonight are at 6 o'clock. And it's open till 7 tonight, which is fun. And there are firework viewing areas. You're not actually allowed to leave the park or enter the park from 5:30 to 6:30. It's interesting. And scan here for some ride info. But this would be obviously well out of date. We love this view. It's absolutely amazing. Well, we could take the land train down to the main part of the park. We haven't done that, have we?
No.
Although I did that when I was like, however old I was when I came here the first time. Not quite 5. Oh, look, Legoland at Christmas. We could come here for Christmas time.
Oh, we should.
Yeah.
Keep that annual pass working.
Mr. Giraffe is helping out build the place. Cheers, mate. You're doing a cracking job. So we decided to walk down in the end because we've been sat down a lot of today, so it's in the car, in traffic actually, which is...
There's a few accidents, which isn't good.
Blooming M25.
Actually, one was on the M23.
That's true. How cool does Miniland look? It's not at dusk. There aren't many people about either, which is quite good. Maybe we could get on a few little rides.
Rides before the fireworks.
Yeah. Should we walk down this way? This is not a fireworks viewing area.
Not.
These stairs. No. All this area was closed last time we were here. So we're going to do this, which is fly at the skyline, which is only a 20-minute wait. And then we're going to watch the show by the lake as well. That'll be fun. Mythically's you.
What did you think of Mythica? No, not Mythica. What's it called? Flight of the Skyline.
Yeah.
In Mythica, Lego Mythica.
In Lego Mythica range. Yeah. I thought it was really good. It was very much like the ride in Billund that we did, which was all about
Emmett's sofa.
Yeah,
Emmett's
the Lego
flying
movie.
sofa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Similar ride
feel.
vehicle and everything.
Pretty much the same, actually.
Yeah.
But I think it was better because I liked the smells and the rain.
It was very similar also to Pandora.
Yes, it was. Flight of Passage.
That's completely lost my
train of thought.
Yeah.
But then we hot-footed it up to the show, caught the end, which you would have seen.
Monster Jam.
And then we have come to Mia's riding adventure.
Yeah.
Which we've never been on, so we thought we'd go on this.
Another new ride for us. So we're now going to take a stroll through the magical forest. Saw this little opening. That music is very loud. What was his name? Bob.
No, it wasn't Bob. What was it?
No.
I can't remember.
I can't remember. Very loud. Didn't know the forest was this loud. This is nice. Whoa. Wowzers.
I'm actually a bit scared.
Scared? I don't think you need to be scared.
I thought that was it.
It's bits and bobs. It is bobs. That was What's his name? Yeah, this is his name. Look, here he is. Look, if you press this button, what does he do? It's too bright for it to pick up. There he is. You have to crouch down through this bit. Well, I do anyway, you don't. This is interesting. Oh, I feel it on the old legs.
It's actually really cool.
This is really nice, actually. Nice little touch. Flower horns. That's sweet. It's giving me very Pandora vibes, this area, isn't it? It's very similar. There's a big old volcano. Found the dragon. Oh. There it is. It's weird how like you just walk to the other side of this like lake area and it is so quiet.
So quiet. It's where all the hotels are, which at some point in our lives we may stay in. But the prices are so high, aren't they?
Astronomical. Even with our Merlin annual pass discount, like Merlin Holiday Club,
especially
I think
this weekend, as you can imagine.
Oh yeah, very dear.
But yeah. So I really enjoyed the ride in school. Did you? Ridden adventure?
That was
it's
fun.
Definitely not school. It's like
an adventure.
It was pretty tame, but also, you know, terrifying enough.
Becky was scared.
It's quite high up. And then you have like little kids screaming their head off next to you, and you're like, yeah, it's a bit scary actually. But yeah, and that forest just there, I loved it.
Brilliant.
I love doing new things.
Yeah.
We're doing all the rides we haven't done. So we're just by the Knights Hotel. Which hotel would you rather stay in?
That's a good question. I think this one probably, because it's a castle.
And it's a bit more themed, isn't it?
That's true. That is true.
They're probably both really themed, but I just think this has got an actual like story, hasn't it?
Yeah, I like it, and it's really cool looking from the outside. Yeah, it's so cool. A big kids play area. If you've got kids, that'll be really, really fun. And then just access straight into the park. Amazing, isn't it?
Love it. Mr. Sharky just chilling out.
Chilling out. But also, there's cobwebs in there. Are there cobwebs underwater?
Apparently so.
If you're in the world of Lego.
Welcome, explorers. I'm the captain here at Deep Sea Adventure HQ. I will be your guide on today's mission. We're going to have a whale of a time.
Oh, we're out of time.
Hold on to your bricks, recruits. We're ready to dash.
Coral reefs form the home for hundreds or even thousands of sea creatures, all living together.
Well, they're big boys, aren't they? No idea. Big boys.
You're longer than dinosaurs.
Don't forget about the cow-nosed stingrays. They were pretty cool too.
It's hilarious. You know, you've got a massive head. Is it tiny?
Really small.
You look like you have a massive head of that.
That's meant for kids. This is Vampire, the most totally awesome and scary monster of all time. 1819 to forever. He looks like he's having a lovely time.
So we're just going to go in the haunted house. Another thing.
Haunted House Monster Party.
Haunted house monster party.
Yeah.
Another thing we haven't done.
How's your way up the stairs now, little spooks? There she goes.
the fireworks?
Yeah, we're already in
Enjoying the
Miniland.
tunes at the moment.
Huh?
Enjoying the tunes.
Tunes. Yeah, it's nice just chilling by Miniland.
We are by London. You can't really see it anymore, but
I did
Oh, no, you can.
film when it was lit up, but they just turned all the lights off for all of the different animatronic bits happening in Miniland.
we must be getting ready.
Yeah.
What time is it?
So I think it's about 10 minutes to go.
10 minutes to go. I'm so excited. I don't know where they're going to come from because you can watch them for so
I
many
reckon
different
it's
places.
coming from our
Up here?
left here, yeah. I reckon they're going to be up there. It says no entry to, or no exit and entry to the park, so I reckon they're doing it on that bit of land by the road,
Oh, really?
maybe behind there.
I think there.
And so that's just like that way, I
Oh,
think.
is it?
Yeah,
Ah.
I reckon. I don't know anything.
That's
I
your
could be so
thoughts.
wrong.
Well, we'll see. We shall see. By the way, we've tried to get a drink everywhere, haven't we? And everyone's been like, no, we're closing.
Yeah, we're closing the queue half an hour before the fireworks. We'll reopen after the fireworks. Yeah,
And then I thought, do I really want to drink a milky drink? And I thought, no, because we're going to get one when we leave.
8, 7, 6. You can't see your face. 3, 2, 1. So we're back in the car now. We've had a lovely afternoon slash
We have.
evening.
It's been lovely. There's been no queues, which is always a dream in a theme park because we hate the queues. And the fireworks are really good, weren't they?
They're really nice,
Really,
yeah.
really, just really sweet and
Yeah,
a good start to bonfire night.
indeed. The one downside that I would have, that I said to Becky, that when it finished, I was like, oh, it would have been nice for them to have some of like the Lego movie music and
Yeah.
that sort of thing. And
Because all the fireworks are set to like
Rock.
rock music. Yeah, it was a bit rocky, wasn't
Yeah.
it? And I thought, oh, you could have used so much LEGOLAND, Lego movie music.
yeah.
Lego
yeah.
music.
Lego music?
I don't know what it's called. It is. It's Lego,
Lego themed.
but it's not themed, is it? It's just Lego music.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, like everything is awesome
yeah,
and all that. Is
that's
that what
true.
it's called?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So that was a bit strange, but yeah, it needed something at the end to be like, this is the end, because the end wasn't.
Well, it
the
was-
end wasn't as endy as it could have been.
A massive fireworks right at the end.
Yeah, no, there were massive fireworks. But I was like, oh, that must be the end because there was a massive firework rather than some sort of music coming out. Because there's loads of music, loads of atmosphere beforehand.
Yeah.
And then it was just like, right, go home.
Or they said, no, you can go back into the parks and explore. But we're not going to do that.
We're not, because we are on our way to Alton Towers.
So the next vlog that comes out will be an Alton Towers fireworks vlog from November the 5th, which is exciting, but also we're a bit scared because it's meant to be raining the majority of the day. So,
but we'll see how it goes. We are in November, it's a bit of a rainy season, but we'll see. It might be a bit muddy, we might get a bit wet, but
we've come prepared though.
Yeah, we have, and apparently the fireworks are going to be dry, so when the fireworks on, it's going to be dry, so hopefully we'll be fine. So if you want to see that vlog, then please subscribe to our channel.
And if you haven't already, please give this video a huge thumbs up. And we shall see you at Alton Towers in our next one. Bye.